Hello students, let's continue chapter number 4, Nutrition in Living Organisms. This is our 5th video. In the last part, we learn nutrition in plants. Today we will start nutrition in animals. This concept refers to the body's need for nutrients, mode of ingesting food, and its use in the body. Let's recall. Which are the various nutrients in food? For what purpose are the nutrients used? Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals and vitamins are the various nutrients in the food. Nutrients used for life process of body. Nutrients are necessary for various activities of the body are obtained from food. They are supplied to the various parts of body through blood. The food that we consume does not mix with blood as it is. It need to convert into soluble forms that can easily mix in blood. Nutrition in animals involves various steps from ingestion to egestion. Ingestion means food is taking inside, to egestion, last step, that is means unwanted or waste food is throwing outside. Let's see steps in nutrition in animals. First step, ingestion. Food is taken into the body. Food is taken into the body means that is the ingestion. Next step is digestion, conversion of food into simple soluble forms. Means whatever food we taken into the body, that will convert into simple soluble forms. Absorption, transfer of soluble food to the blood. Whatever food we already conversion is happening through the digestion into simple substances that will absorb by the blood. Then assimilation, utilization of absorbed food by cells and tissues for energy production, for growth and for repairing or wear and tear of the bodies. Means whatever food we already digested, after digested it converted into soluble food material, then it absorbed by the blood and then it is started utilization means use by the cells and tissues. Then egestion, last step, removal of waste products and undigested food from body. Means whatever waste product form in the body, that undigested food material will expel from the body. So all these steps are nutrition in animals. You must have observed that there are different methods of ingestion of food in different animals, like swallowing, nibbling, sucking, chewing, scraping, lapping, filtering, etc. Chewing. Animals such as cow, buffalo, deer, giraffe, goat, sheep, etc. chew the curd or grass, straws, pastures. Elephants use their trunk to put the food in mouth for chewing. Animals like lions, tiger tear the flesh with their sharp pointed teeth and chew it with their grinding teeth. Next method is swallowing. Some animals such as snakes, lizard, birds swallow their food. Some animals have teeth. However, their teeth are only useful for grabbing the food, but not for chewing it. Snakes swallow the food, which is even bigger than their mouth. They do so because they have ability to open their mouth wide so as to grab food with their jaws. Animals such as with their jaws they grab the food. Animals such as lizard use their long tongue to catch and swallow small insects. Next is sucking. See the picture, mosquitoes, butterfly, houseflies, all they suck the food. Some animals such as butterfly, mosquito, houseflies have long tube called proboscis. It is like a straw to them. Using it, butterflies suck sweet juice called nectar from the flower. Similarly, mosquitoes suck the blood. Nibbling. Animals such as rabbit, mouse use their sharp front teeth for taking small bite of the food. This is called nibbling. Lapping. Have you seen cat or dog drinking milk? Well, more appropriately, it is called lapping. They use their tongue to do so. Filtering. Some aquatic animals such as fish, clams, krill, sponges, similarly some birds like flamingos have the ability to filter out their food which is present in water or other mixture. Scraping. Animals such as snail obtain food by pulling hard on a surface to obtain food attached on it. It is called scraping. Unicellular animals like amoeba, euglena, paramecium, all the steps of nutrition occur within their unicellular body. You can understand that steps of nutrition by using this video. There are some organisms which we cannot see with only eyes. We need special instrument called microscope to view them, and these organisms are called microorganisms. Amoeba is a microorganism which has only single cell body. It is found in pond water. It does not have a fixed shape like other organisms. In that sense, it is interesting to know how it obtained its food. Let's understand it. Ingestion. Method of taking food inside the body is called ingestion. Amoeba moves continuously whenever it senses the food particle. It spreads finger-like structure around the particle. This structure is called pseudopodia. These are the false feet of amoeba. Amoeba encircles the pseudopodia around food particle and take it inside the body. We say that amoeba engulf the food. It results in formation of food vacuoles which contain food particle. Digestion. The cell contain jelly-like liquid called cytoplasm. From cytoplasm, digestive enzymes are secreted in the food vacuoles. These enzymes act on the food particle and convert them into simple substances. Absorption. The simple substances gets diffused in the cytoplasm. This is called absorption. The undigested waste remains in the food vacuoles. Assimilation. The food entering in cytoplasm is used for energy, for growth, for maintenance and for multiplication. This is called assimilation. Excess food is stored as glycogen and fats. Egestion. The undigested waste is taken near the cell membrane and then thrown outside the cell body by rupturing, that is cutting the membrane. This is called egestion.